Hello friends, in this session we have seen how to work a star algorithm. A star algorithm comes under the heuristic search. So friends, motive of a star algorithm is it finds out shortest path from starting node to goal node in graph and tree. A star algorithm is one of the best and popular technique used for pathfinding and graph traversal problem. It used best first search algorithm for that. We can say a star algorithm is the fastest graph search algorithm that finds the path that goes the least from the source node to goal node, and it uses the process of Dijkstra and best first search so that it selects the node which looks most promising node instead of guessing the next node. To understand how a star algorithm work, first we understood the following equation. The equation is f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. Here n is the least node of the path, means a particular node which give us a direction to reach a goal node. G of n is the actual cost of the path from start node to node n, means it gives a actual cost from start node to intermediate node that gives a direction to reach goal node. H of n is heuristic function that estimate cost of the cheapest path from node n to the goal node, means that gives a cheapest node cost which provide the path to reach a goal node. Now we can learn how to find out f of n, g of n, h of n with the help of example. Here we can see we have start node S and goal node G. We can find out shortest path to reach goal node. We can see here we have intermediate node A, B, C, D and E. All that node help us to reach a goal node. We can see here different cost to reach start node to intermediate node, and we have different heuristic cost of particular node. So with the help of addition of actual cost and heuristic cost, we can find out f of n, means intermediate node cost, which provide a cheapest cost to reach the goal node. Now we can see here an example of a star algorithm. In this, we have start node A and goal node G. With the help of intermediate node B, C, D, E and F, we can reach to goal node. With cheapest path, for that we have actual cost and heuristic cost of each node. So we can solve this example with the help of equation f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n. For actual cost, g of n is indicated in black digit and heuristic cost h of n is indicated in red digit. And we can apply best first search to find cheapest path. Now we can start solution of a star algorithm. So we can apply our equation f of n is equal to g of n plus h of n to our start node A. So here we can see heuristic value of A is 14 and actual cost to reach to node A is 0 because it is a self node. So we can apply this value in equation and we can find the cost of A is 14. Now we can find out the neighbor of A. and it's B and C. So now we can find out the cost of A of B and A of C. First, we can select A of B path. So actual cost to reach A to B is 4 and heuristic value of B is 12. Put this value in equation and we can find the cost of B is 16. Now we can find the A to C path or cost. So actual cost to reach A to C is 3 and heuristic value of C is 11. Put this value in equation and we can find the cost of C is 14. Now we can see here the cost of C is less compared to cost of B. So we can select the path means A to C path to reach a goal state. Now here we can select A to C path. So friend, C has two neighbors node. With the help of C, we reach E and E. E and D. So we have two paths, AC to E and AC to D. First, we have select path of AC to E. Actual cost to reach node E is 3 plus 10 means 13 and heuristic value of E is 4. Put that value in equation and we can get the cost of E is 17. Similar way, we can find the cost of D. So actual cost to reach node D is 3 plus 7 is equal to 10 and heuristic value of D is 6. Apply this value in equation and we get the cost of D is 16. Now friends, we have two similar cost node and it's D and B. So we can select these two nodes to reach our goal node. First, we select A to B path. So friends, we have two neighbors node E and F. So one by one, we can find out their cost. First, we select AB to E path. So actual cost to reach node E is 4 plus 12 means 16 and heuristic value of E is 4. Put that value in equation and we get cost of E is 20. So similar way we can find out cost or path AB to F. So actual cost is 4 plus 5 means 9 and heuristic cost is 11. So cost of F is 20. But we have cheapest cost of AC to D path. So that we have select that path. We have select AC to D path. That cost is 16. So we can select that path. So friends, with the help of that path, we can reach to node E. Okay. So we can find out the cost of E node. Actual cost to reach to node E is 3 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 12 and heuristic value of E is 4. Put that value in equation and we can get the cost of E is 16. So This node or path has cheapest value to reach our goal node G. So we can continue this path. So with the help of ACD to E path, we can reach to G because G is neighbor node of E. We can find out cost of G. Actual cost to reach G is 3 plus 7 plus 2 plus 5 means 17, and heuristic value of G is 0 because it's our goal net. So cost of G is 17 and it is cheapest value compared to other paths. So thank you friends watching this video. I hope you can learn how A star algorithm work.